Alright guys, so I have this big box here. We're about to open it up. It's actually from Minimal LA. If you don't know what Minimal is, basically they pretty much have like really hype clothing. They have like jeans, shorts, joggers, like pretty much everything you guys would need. Dope tees. You guys will see what I have in this box. This video is sponsored by Minimal, so if you guys want to check them out, links down in the description below. Be sure to use code UnlimitedCop10 for 10% off your order. So we're pretty much gonna open it up. I'll try some of the stuff on and show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so as you can see, there is quite a lot of stuff in here. I believe they sent me like 6 or 7 pairs of jeans, some shirts and some shorts. So the first thing we have is this everyday like rose colored tee. Honestly, I needed more like rose colors, like kind of pink stuff in my wardrobe, so I decided to pick this up. The quality of it's honestly really good. I was pretty surprised actually. It feels really good. And guys, before you like comment sell out in the video description, I actually have been shopping with Minimal for like years now. I used to wear their jeans back in high school. I just graduated high school, but I used to wear their jeans back in high school. So whenever they reached out, I was pretty excited because I've been wearing their stuff for like years now. So don't think I'm like a sellout. Like obviously guys, I love their stuff. I wear their stuff. I'm sure most of you guys do too. So the next thing we have is some black jeans. Like I said guys, I've been wearing their jeans for like years now. I have a couple pairs of them and they're honestly very, very nice. All right, so we have a pair of like ripped jeans right here, which I'm actually gonna try on right now because they look pretty dope. Alright guys, so here they are. Honestly, very comfortable. They're not like too super tight on me. Like I said, after I open up everything, I'll try them on and like show you guys the whole fit. So the next thing we have is another pair of black jeans. Oh, these actually aren't jeans, they're jean shorts. So I wanted to kind of like switch my wardrobe up a little bit. So I thought these would be kind of crazy. So I decided to pick them up. They're like skeleton jean shorts, like jean shorts obviously with this like skeleton. Alright guys, so the next thing we have is this flannel tee. Or flannel jacket, I guess it is. Which honestly guys, I was pretty impressed with like the range of products that they have. They have pretty much everything you would need as far as like a wardrobe or like a streetwear aspect of it. Once again guys, super high quality. It feels really, really good. Definitely gonna come in handy when it's really cold outside. Alright guys, so we have a bunch more jeans right here. So I'm about to just open all these up. I'll do like a little cinematic shot of me doing that and show you guys all the jeans that I got.
Don't know what sleepers. I got a queen. She lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder. She wrote it. Still up with courage. You're doing a service. Pull up to the crib. I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy. I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas lazy.
So that's pretty much all the stuff guys. If you guys do need high quality jeans, like I said, be sure to check them out. They have a lot more than jeans and the stuff that you saw in this video. If you do purchase something, I'll have a link down in the description below, and you can use code UnlimitedCop10 for 10% off your order.
I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds.
Start task. Okay. Sale started. Starting task. I don't know how I'm going to be able to see all these, but I'm gonna try my best. This is I don't know what's happening honestly with what's it called, Splash Force. I've never done very good at Splash Force. Hasn't been too good to me honestly. Huh, the DCs are, oh shit, I'm cooking. Oh no, I'm not cooking. I got one so far. I don't know where I got it. Right here? No. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I guess I was wrong. Splash Force is doing good. Size 4. Oh, there's another one. Size 6. There's 2 so far. Splash Force is bad. I'm sorry for talking shit on Splash Force. These DCs are kicking ass, dude. You can buy these DCs very soon. They're doing very well. Oh shit, I'm doing even better. I've checked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs so far. 6. I can't show you because it has the order number, but I'm hitting a bunch just on Splash Force. I've hit a size 4.5, 5.5, 6, 4, 6, 6.5. Payment declined. I just got declined on my... Dude, I'm literally getting so many pairs. I got declined because my Chase card didn't have enough money in my checking, so I had to move more over. I've gotten 1, would have had another one. It would have been 2, but no. 3, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just got another one, 9. There's number 10. Payment declined. I think I just got declined on a privacy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And then my privacies are getting declined now. I would have had 13. Hey, it's the birthday luck, yo. That's what it is, yo. It's the birthday luck. I literally have missed out on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs because of privacy. Oh, I hit my thing. Yeah, I hit my limit. I'm gonna try to get a cookie here. Just got declined for another one, size 5.5. I guess my thing didn't. Oh, TT. Damn, my other one's getting declined. So we're running Cyber on Foot sites, mainly just Foot Lockers. That's where all the stock is. We have Dick's on Splash Force, and then on Phantom, obviously Splash or Dick's also, and then Toru. I don't know why I did that pause there for a second. And I'm also going manual on my phone. I'm so nervous. I really want to cop too. 15 seconds. Here we go. Good luck, boys. You know what it is. Adding to cart. Queued. Submitting shipping. Creating checkout. Am I about to hit for a slot? Adding to cart. Oh shit, I got one for a slot. Let's go. Yeah, see, look, a slot for one of the boys. I checked out more. I'm hitting. Here we go. There we go. I got 2 so far for add to cart. If you're not in Saber, you're missing out, boys. Could have been free 2 pairs. Hopefully Cyber will kill it again. It did good yesterday. Alright, boys. Good luck. Alright, thank you. Adding to cart. Cyber's stuck on adding to cart. Bro, what? We're getting railed right now. Add to stock, you're trying. Finally got a line. This is bad, bro. This is not a good release. Damn, bro. Oh, I got one. Holy shit. I copped. On Foot Locker. Let's go, dude. What the hell? Did I cop on Toru? I copped, yeah. I just got the debit or the charge. Let me find my webhooks. Yeah, Toru cop for me. Let's go, dude. These DCs are crazy. I thought I wasn't gonna cop. I got a size 15. What the fuck? I got a size 15. Where did I check out at? Oh, payment success. Alright guys, so I have a bunch of boxes here. I don't really know what they are. I'm just gonna start opening them. So the first box, $3.50. I don't even know how to pronounce this colorway. That's interesting. The extra laces come in this sort of like pouch thing. Kind of cool. I've never seen that before. That's interesting. For time purposes, guys, I'm not gonna show you every single $3.50 just because they're all the same, just different sizes. So here's what they look like now. Really cool colorway. Definitely look better in hand. These are gonna go up. Whoa, the laces are hella weird. So they're not like a normal $3.50 lace. They have this sort of like rubber piece on them, which I think the other laces are the normal ones, but definitely cool idea. I haven't seen this before. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so the next thing we have is probably definitely easy. I don't remember what sizes I got, so we're about to find that out. Another size 6, same thing. So next thing we have is a 6.5, same thing as the other 2. Size 4, same thing as all the other ones. Another Yeezy. Size 5.5, size 4.5 this time. I would have had a lot more Yeezys if my card, or my debit card didn't get like froze because I thought it was fraud. Because I had like 40 declines, 50 declines, and not because it was like the Yeezy supply, it was just because my card didn't work. 5.5, another Yeezy. Now Foot Locker. This is going to be my first Kobe, I think. I got it Sunday. I guess this was the one I got Monday. It just shipped really fast. Okay, so I was completely wrong. This was a Jordan 3 that I got off Foot Locker because I was just testing these proxies. A size 8 in women's. Honestly, these look pretty dope. Definitely cool colorway. As you guys can see, I mean, not much to them. I definitely see them going up, and the leather feels really, really nice on them. So if you have pairs of these, honestly, I might suggest holding them. Alright guys, so as I'm editing this video, I realized I didn't talk about my sneaker group, Saber.io. And also, excuse the mess guys, I'm building a new PC right now, so everything's everywhere. My sneaker group, Saber.io, is about to launch 2.0, which basically is like a complete update to the group. We're gonna have a new layout, we're gonna have a ton more features, new tools. Honestly, there's a lot of stuff I can't even like go over all in this video. But a couple of the main things we are going to be adding is more ACO, which is auto checkout. Pretty much we'll use your information in our bots, and then we'll check it out for you and you'll get an email confirmation. Also, we're about to have a bunch more group buys. If you guys are interested in getting Nike sneakers bought, we're about to have a group buy, so the price will be $350 a year instead of the normal $500. We have like, honestly, there's so much, guys, that I can't even go over. Like I said, there's just a ton of features. If you guys are interested in joining, please follow our Twitter down below. It's just @SaberIO. I'll also be talking about this a little bit more like once we launch 2.0, going through the server, showing you guys like what it's about and what we've added. But I thought I just did this in here, guys. If you're interested in getting into like sneaker reselling or something like that, this would honestly be a great place to start. And I'm not even trying to be biased by that. Like if you need a place to start, this is definitely gonna be a good spot. But unfortunately, we are sold out as of right now. We're at the max amount of members. So if you guys are interested in joining, please be sure to follow our Twitter down below, have notifications on, and we'll be restocking once we launch 2.0. All right, guys, back with a normal video.